Hello, welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of bedroom design, exploring the latest trends that will transform your space into a haven of comfort and style. Let's kick off our design journey with the charm of minimalist bedrooms. Picture a serene oasis with clean lines, neutral tones, and clutter-free spaces. Minimalism isn't just a style. It's a lifestyle that emphasizes simplicity and purpose. This design choice allows you to create a tranquil atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Now, let's talk about the allure of nature-inspired bedrooms. Bring the outdoors inside with earthy tones, natural materials, and perhaps a touch of greenery. Imagine waking up in a room that evokes the calm of a forest or the freshness of a coastal breeze. Nature-inspired design not only connects you with the environment, but also promotes a sense of relaxation. For those who love a touch of luxury, consider the elegance of a contemporary chic bedroom. Think plush fabrics, statement furniture, and sophisticated color palettes. This style invites you into a space that feels like a boutique hotel, where every detail exudes opulence and refinement. Next up, let's explore the magic of multifunctional furniture in small bedrooms. In a world where space is a luxury, versatile furniture becomes your best friend. Imagine a bed with built-in storage, a desk that transforms into a vanity, or even wall-mounted shelves that serve as both decor and functional storage. These innovative solutions allow you to maximize every square inch of your bedroom. Now, let's talk about the transformative power of accent walls. Whether it's a bold color, a textured wallpaper, or a captivating mural, an accent wall can redefine the entire atmosphere of your bedroom. It's a design element that adds personality and focal points, creating visual interest in your personal space. For the tech-savvy dreamers, smart bedrooms are on the rise. Imagine a bedroom where lights, temperature, and even your morning coffee can be controlled with a simple touch. Smart home technology seamlessly integrates with your bedroom, enhancing convenience and creating a personalized, futuristic experience. As we explore these bedroom design ideas, remember that personalization is key. Your bedroom should be a reflection of your personality, preferences, and the lifestyle you aspire to live. Whether you're drawn to the simplicity of minimalism, the serenity of nature-inspired design, the opulence of contemporary chic, the functionality of multifunctional furniture, the vibrancy of accent walls, or the innovation of smart bedrooms, there's a design waiting to embrace you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's embark on a journey to transform your bedroom into the ultimate retreat. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, happy dreaming! Please subscribe, like and share.